On tinnitus.
Oh, I can't honk? Ryan, get on. Oh, did you tab out and we're auto running?
Yeah.
Why can't you honk the buggy?
I
Zach,
don't
can
think
you
you can
honk?
honk anything but that doesn't have 4 seats.
Zach, try honking. Press F.
No.
Done, dude.
Oh my god, did you press F?
I did, dude. I was just like so ready.
Oh shit! Oh, I thought you were so much further up. Oh my god.
Dude, that was crazy.
I can't believe you just fell for that.
Zach, do you have
I even
bandages?
said no.
Zach, do you have bandages?
I have a first
Yeah,
aid and
I got
4
first aid.
pains.
No, bandage first. You have to bandage first.
Why?
Just in case you don't have enough time. Why'd you drop all 4 paints?
I didn't mean to, but
Here,
thanks
no,
for taking them all.
Oh, here, put.
That's cool. Fuck your life.
Where's your buggy, Zach?
It's all the way up there, bro.
Oh, okay.
What do you mean all the way up there?
Oh, it kept rolling or something?
It's not my responsibility.
Oh, I see it.
Dude, are you fucking kidding me? I'm the one paying for your sins hitting F? Fucking
I'll come pick
amateur
you up.
hour.
Don't let me hit you.
No,
Don't
no,
let me hit you.
no,
Don't let
don't
me
back
hit you.
up. Don't back up. Don't back up.